Welcome back to Fast Money. More fallout today in the wake of FTX's collapse. Crypto lender BlockFi preparing to file for bankruptcy, this according to the Wall Street Journal. BlockFi acknowledged it has, quote, significant exposure to FTX in a blog post yesterday, months after receiving a bailout from the crypto exchange. Today at the CNBC Technology Executive Council, I had a chance to sit down with former Treasury Secretary under President Trump, Mnuchin. I asked him about the crypto landscape and his own dealings with FTX.
In particular, at FTX, we looked at investing twice and passed both times. But, I do think the underlying technology of blockchain has very interesting implications if you separate it from the issue of, an asset class.
Well, I kept pressing him. He talked a little bit more about his second encounter with the company.
I will tell you, the second time we looked at it, it was 5 times the valuation of the first time. And, we were a bit surprised at the overall level of valuations as well.
So where do we go from here for Bitcoin and crypto? We talked about a lot of smart investors getting caught up in this. And he made reference to this idea that people get caught up in these founders, in sort of the hype around it, in seeing other successful investors go in. It almost felt like he was referring to, a Theranos situation or a lot of other situations that we have seen in the past where very smart people get caught off guard. They don't do as much due diligence, perhaps because so many others preceded them.
Yeah. Well, there's 2 different things here. There's FTX, where you left your money and thought you were.
Sure. And FTX, the investor investing.
There's that. So that's just outright fraud. Mm-hmm. It seems. And then there's, as an investor in FTX, as a private equity investor, that's a different thing. That's sort of what you're talking about, right? That sort of, he really created quite an extraordinary persona. I love the sleeping in the office, the attire, he was playing the part, right?
Do you really love it?
If he had been driving around a Lamborghini, I really think people would have been like, wow, we got to look a little more closely.
Right, exactly.
Yes.
But he's like this guy in a T-shirt who can't even comb his hair.
Right,
think,
who doesn't seem to care about money. He just seems to care about,
like his vision, his strategy.
Yes.
Yeah.
But investing really can be clubby, and it can be, we talk about FOMO all the time, and it happens in some of the most sophisticated investor circles. And there's the clubbiness of this, and investing as a group is what we've seen. We've seen a lot of this out of Silicon Valley. We've seen some of the biggest investors in the world all be involved in the same deals. 13Fs came out 2 days ago. You get to see how crowded a lot of these trades are. So what Secretary Mnuchin pointed out is not that the efficacy of blockchain is not in question. The regulation around a lot of these platforms and tokens, frankly, that, Bitcoin is supposed to be replacing fiat currencies, and yet what was that? That is a fiat currency. The printing presses were running, or at least they were backing up something that was really supporting something supported by nothing. So I just think you get to a place where money is free. A lot of these type of events tend to be, and when the waves go back out into the ocean, you see what's left on the shore, and there's all kinds of metaphors and analogies. I'll save them.